Hello everybody, in this video I would like to guide you how to install IIS Internet Information Services on Windows 7. Now here we go. First, you click on the start button on the bottom left corner on the screen here, and you choose Control Panel. Next, you choose Programs and Features. And next, you choose Turn Windows features on or off. After that, you take here Internet Information Services, and after that you click OK, and wait while Windows makes changes to features. This may take several minutes. And now you open a web browser. You type localhost on address bar, and you see this image. It means you installed Internet Information Services successfully on Windows 7. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye and see you on next video.